Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Weekend Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Tango. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Tango application on your device. And if you haven't signed up already, you have the option to continue with your Google account, or if you tap on More, you will also see the phone option. Choose whichever option is suitable for you. And if you choose your phone, you will need to choose your country code and enter your phone number as well. So enter both your country code and your phone number and then tap on the continue button. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone. So check your SMS or your WhatsApp and you will find this code right away. Just enter this code within the given box and now you will be signed up to your brand new account. When you're signing up for the first time, you will be asked to answer a few questions that you can answer or also skip by tapping on the skip button at the top right corner. And now you have successfully been signed up to your brand new account on Tango. You will be taken into the Explore page from which you can explore the various different profiles that you can chat with. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Tango app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.